Hello everyone. Have you ever needed to type a special symbol like a copyright sign or a check mark, but couldn't find it in your keyboard? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find them quickly in Windows 11. To open the menu, hold down the Windows key and press the period key. A small panel appears right where you type in. The panel defaults to emojis. To find actual characters, click the symbols icon, the second one from the right at the top. Notice that the search bar disappears here, so we browse by category instead. At the top of the window, you will see different categories. To find the check mark, select General Punctuation, then scroll down a few rows. Just click the symbol to insert it. This is much faster than looking up out codes or searching the web to copy and paste. You can find everything from fractions to math symbols here. If you switch back to the Emoji tab, the first icon, you can use the magnifying glass. For example, typing car or heart will bring up those icons instantly. This menu also includes a shortcut to your clipboard history. If you have it turned on, you can repaste items you've copied recently without having to retype them. This works in most places where you see a blinking cursor, whether you're in a browser, search bar, an email, or even when renaming a file. That's how to use the built-in symbols and emojis in Windows 11 to speed up your typing. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical tips. Stay reachable, and I will see you in the next one.